Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a intro. So you're only going to need two apps, and those two apps will be iMovie. It says $6.99, but it's really free because I did have money, but I got it, but it did not take any of my money away. So yeah, it's free, and you also need Ion 3D. So I'm about to play the intro. So see you guys, and peace.
I don't got reason to lie. I don't need your drama. I don't need you to survive.
Wrong one. Okay, so yeah, I'm now on Ion to make one. So go to plus. This is your camera. Like move it over, adjust it, then go to rotate it however you want. I really don't care how you rotate. Okay, yeah, it's pretty good angle. Then go to add. Go to text, put your name. Go. So in my instance, I would put Reese. Then go to like font. I would go with the middle font. Then go like with your colors. Let's just do yellow or whatever color it is. I don't even care. And yeah, then you might want to click on this and then move it up. It's halfway in the ground. Okay, I think I need to move this like some. Oh, move it sideways now. Oh my god, it's so annoying. So like that, then yeah, so go to so you see these numbers, go to 240 frames. What that does is like, if you switch frames, it like keeps on moving like you saw in my intro there. Okay, so I'm gonna go like, I wouldn't go too early because it'll like flip like really quick. So we'll like go into R, rotate, and go like the 15. Yeah, rotate, do whatever, yeah. Get my point, and then like if you want to do the whole thing, go like that. And you want to go again. Then if you want animations, wait, what kind of animations are there? Okay, it's taking too long though, I don't got that patience. So you can also add light models. What the hell? Oh yeah, it's pretty sick. So after like you have your little thing done, if you want to add music like most videos do, I'm gonna play it real quick. Let's go to number one. Now it said number one, play. Yeah, so that's pretty much what happened. Okay, so when you have it saved, if you want to save it, this is what you do. I don't know, you can go to, you're over here, I'm guessing. Yeah, and then go to option. What? Oh, export. Yeah, export. Or no, I lied. Oh wait, yeah, that's where you go. You go to export. So if you mean to export it, I don't really want to, but okay, I'll just do it. I don't care. Go to videos. Go to like 720p. If you don't want to take it out, please sign in. You have to sign in and make an account. Okay, pretend I have it and all. Then you would go to iMovie. Go to new, go to movie, go to simple, and click that. Add like any video you want. I'll just do this intro. Pretend this intro does not have music. You would go to this thing right here now. add media, go to audio, go to like artist. If you don't have any music, it's like these. You can go like this. That's one of them. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. This is Drews. I'm out right now. And make sure to like and subscribe.